You know, in this world, kila mtu ako zile za mrife. Everyone is running towards success. And when one person succeeds, the society may tend to hate this person or appreciate this person. What do I mean? Achievement doesn't come easily. Doesn't come at an empty silver plate. You see, lazima kuna watu wanakumotivate toward that achievement. So now, when I say you don't have a friend or I have a friend, it may mean a lot. Now, as per me, I'm looking for that one friend mwenye anaona nikianguka ananirekebisha. Heli unichape sahi nikuchukie, lakini after my achievement I will pull you out of your problems just because you mentored me in a right way. Lakini msikue zile za wewe ni mtu mkubwa, fanya afu unongoja nidunde chini ucheke. That is not the kind of the person even Mungu anataka. Ukiona your sister or your brother akianguka huwezi furahia. So that is the kind of a friend that I need. Ukimuona anafanya matendo mabaya, mwambie. Hata chizi akichizi atajua aje amechizi. Instead mwambie ndugu yangu na chizi, so that he can rectify or she can rectify. It is not easy to get that one friend, but if I get one, I think I will never dare leave that friend.